Herd at Health is sponsored video content brought to you by MedCity News.
Welcome to Herd at Health. I'm Arundhati Parmar, Editor-in-Chief of MedCity News. Today, I'm joined by Chris Hogue, CEO of Marley Medical, a tech-enabled company focusing on managing chronic diseases like hypertension. So Marley Medical is extending virtual primary care to chronic disease management, but you seem to be going directly to consumers. Why so?
Yes, in our experience, many of these new innovations and care models fail at patient enrollment. It's very hard to get folks into the program. So we wanted to start from the beginning, directly acquiring patients so that we could better manage and control our growth. It also forced us to really create a product that people wanted to use. And so while we acquire patients directly, our intention was never to have patients pay for it. So we right now are an in-network provider, so just like a normal primary care doctor, and we submit claims and patients pay their normal out-of-pocket, we just acquire them directly through our own means.
Excellent. Can you describe the care team and what services they would offer to someone who's battling maybe hypertension or diabetes?
Yeah, so we are a fully functional virtual clinic. It's an MD-led group. So we have a very data-driven model, so all of our patients get remote monitoring devices. And so they're able to send us very passively through cellular connection, readings on their blood pressure, their weight, their glucose. We use those data to really risk stratify patients, which determines how frequently a care team reviews them, makes a medication change, and reaches out to them.
There are so many companies tackling diabetes and cardiac care. You're smiling because you know I'm right. Yes. How are you different?
Yeah, well, first, it's a huge opportunity, and there's room for quite a lot of people to try to solve this really hard problem. I think we're different in that we try to be a very broad offering for folks, not be a transactional offering. So we build long-term relationships between the patient and the provider. We are also not a cash pay offering. We are an insurance-based product, and so we're not going directly B2B to employers as a start. Finally, I think our care model is quite differentiated in how we're very proactive in reaching out to patients who are in need. It allows our care team to spend more time with the patients who really need it. And they don't really have to worry about whether they should see the doctor or go to the ED. We see all the data and we reach out to them directly. It gives them quite a bit of peace of mind.
Well, Chris, thank you so much for coming by and talking to us today.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.